Battery for 6S Plus. This is 6S Plus. I'm gonna change the new battery I bought from China. They said the original battery. I'm doing this for 2 years. No complaint about the battery. So it's 34 milliamps.
इसको नया बैटरी लगाने से भी नहीं होगा?
No, no. It's not showing any sign. ये कोई sign नहीं दिखा रही है.
वो तो है.
Right.
क्योंकि बैटरी ऐसे ही रख के ना बैटरी डेड हो गया होगा.
नहीं, battery dead or not dead. In my machine, it's gonna show me the sign. It's gonna work or not. But in the machine, is not showing nothing. So that means it's dead. Even the battery dead, it shows here. Okay, I open the phone. I opened the phone already, so I'm gonna hook up the phone right there. Okay, so I have to I take it out right there, this video. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera right here so then you guys can see. Okay, it's actually pretty fun to remove the tape. You can do it at home, easy. It's not that difficult. Take it easy and then you can do it yourself. You see I have to grab the glue is inside, so you have to be gentle. You see, gentle, very nice, polite, very gentle. You squeeze it a little bit, then you turn it around, very gentle. It's very easy. Okay, one glue is done. Okay, second glue. There is 3 glue done there. Is every iPhone have the glue. Every single iPhone have a glue. It's iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, 8, 9. All phone have a glue. So you see, very gentle, very gentle. Okay, nice and clean. Okay, I'm gonna take another glue. This is the last glue. You can see it. If you guys are having a hard time to take out the glue, take these parts out. I'm not doing it because I can take the glue out very easy. So if you guys having a hard time to take out the glue, you can take out these parts, so you're not gonna get that much hard time at all. You see, it's giving me a hard time also. Don't be scared though, don't be scared, and be careful about the battery, because don't leak the battery. If battery get leak, you're gonna see the smoke and phone can be burned. So very gentle. There you go. So okay, done. I take out the battery. You see, this is that much easy. I take out the battery. You see, the battery is no good. I already checked this battery is 69%. So you have to put definitely new battery. So for the new battery, you just have to double face tape. Put the double face tape, and not too much, because if it go bad again, you're gonna have very bad hard time. Or if you put too much glue. I put a very little glue. It's not gonna come out because you're not gonna play soccer with the phone, so it's not gonna really come out. And clip the battery first. Very nice and gentle. Okay, nice. You see, it's done. So put the plate back on. That's it. 2 screws for the plate. 1. And I have to look for another screw. Maybe I put somewhere right there. No, this is not it. So careful with the screws because I have too many screws. I'm not worrying about it. If you are new, you have to worry about the screws. So that's it, done. So that's it for iPhone 6s Plus battery. You can do it home, very easy. And don't forget about these two screws, important.
It's done.
It's done. It's done. iPhone 6s Plus. So let's see, it's open. Okay, let it be open. I'm gonna show this battery is 100%. The other battery was 69%. This takes a little bit time. Okay, the password 123456. Settings, battery, check the percentage, battery health. You see, is 100%. So battery is very good. Okay, very nice. That's it. Thank you.